The Star of Bethlehem, also known as a grass lily, summer snowflake, or an 11 o'clock lady, is an invasive weed from Europe that can now be found throughout the United States. Despite its looks, all parts of this plant are toxic and should be removed from your property. In this video, we'll go over how to identify this plant, how to get rid of it from your property, and how to prevent any more from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. The Star of Bethlehem is an herbaceous perennial weed that is easily identified by its white, star-shaped flowers that bloom towards late spring. When growing, the plant's leaves look like wild garlic's leaves, but with a distinct white midrib and without any garlic odor. These leaves only grow to about half the height of wild garlic leaves, growing 4 to 12 inches long and up to 6 millimeters wide. Like wild garlic and onions, Star of Bethlehem plants grow from bulbs. Remember, all parts of the Star of Bethlehem are toxic and should never be consumed. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Star of Bethlehem is a perennial weed that spreads via bulb division. This plant grows well in moist soil that is exposed to full sunlight. It has a narrow growth window, growing from April to June and reaching maturity by the end of May. When inspecting for Star of Bethlehem, look out for tufts of the plant's leaves or its signature white flowers. Common sites where this plant occurs include, but are not limited to, fields, forest edges, drainage ditches, plant beds, and lawns. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. Star of Bethlehem continues to grow year after year, so to get rid of it, we recommend you check out Speedzone EW Broadleaf Herbicide. Speedzone is made with a blend of different active ingredients. Speedzone is designed to control over 90 different weeds in cool and warm season turf. For spot applications in cool season turf, mix 1.1 to 1.8 fluid ounces of the product in 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. For spot applications in warm season turf, mix 0.75 to 1.5 fluid ounces of the product in 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your solution in a handheld pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Spot treat any weed you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. With Speedzone, a repeat application may be made 30 days after the initial treatment. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. One way to stop Star of Bethlehem from spreading is to dig the bulbs as soon as you spot the plants. However, the best way to prevent these weeds is to conduct good cultural practices and lawn maintenance. We recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and prevent them from establishing. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can remove Star of Bethlehem from your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.